Hello dear friends, today we will learn how to conduct rebound hammer test in the field.
In any civil construction project such as building construction, bridge construction, roads, or stations, in all these projects today's cement concrete and the RCC work is used. During the concreting work, we fill the cubes of concrete to test. We test these cubes after 28 days in the laboratory.
As you know all, when our concrete cubes are failed in the laboratory or in the field, now we have to decide which test is to be conducted. Here are the 2-3 tests we can conduct, such as rebound hammer test and ultrasonic pulse velocity test. On the basis of rebound hammer test or its report, we decide our structure is safe or not. Rebound hammer test report represents the compressive strength of the structure. If our result is less than as required, it means the structure is to be strengthened, or otherwise to demolish the structure, to destroy the structure and recast or remake the structure is required. So let us learn how to conduct the rebound hammer test.
The test is conducted on the basis of IS code 13311 part 2 and IS 8900. The apparatus required to conduct the test is rebound hammer or the calibrated certificate and observation sheet to record the readings. Now start the practical demonstration of the rebound hammer test. First, we clean and smooth the surface on which the test is to be conducted. We grind it by grinding wheel or stone, and now by the rebound hammer we give the stroke of the rebound hammer at exact right angle to the surface of RCC. On each point 6 readings are to be taken, and every reading should be not less than 20 millimeter away from each other. Now these 6 readings, now we record these readings in the observation sheet and take the average of these 6 readings, that is 25. Now take more readings as we required. If we have 3 points, it means 18 readings are required to complete this test. Now on the result, in the final result, we take the point wise compressive strength. Point number 1, the compressive strength will be calculated. The average value of the 6 reading by the 6 reading taken by rebound hammer multiplied by correlation factor. This will be equal to 31.25, and the second reading, which is average 20, that is 20 multiplied by 1.25, this will be equal to 25, and third is 22 multiplied by 1.25, this will be equal to 27.5. After calculation the compressive strength with the help of rebound readings, now we prepare a detailed report of a rebound hammer test. As we see, point number 1, the compressive strength of location number 1. It means the compressive strength of the structure at location 1, 31.25 Newton per square millimeter, and on point number 2, 25 Newton per square millimeter, and point number 3, 27.5 Newton per square millimeter. The object of the test is assessing the likely compressive strength of concrete with the help of suitable correlation between rebound index and the compressive strength. And second, assessing the uniformity of concrete and assessing the quality of the concrete in relation to the standard requirement, assessing the quality of one element of concrete in relation of others. Okay, dear friends, I hope after watching this video on the rebound hammer test, everyone will be able to conduct or to perform this test. Thank you very much for watching this video.